Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install a truck horn in your car, just back there. Because it's hilarious and I'm tired of people not using turn signals, I bought the truck horn. A large truck horn with its compressor. We're about to install it and see if it's quick and easy. Also, I forgot something. You have to subscribe to my channel though. That's what keeps it going. So now, you see, I'm going to wait for you to subscribe because otherwise it's pointless. I'm not going further in the video, so I'm waiting. Personally, I have all the time in the world. As for you, I don't know, but the video will only start once you've subscribed. I have all the time in the world. Oh no, go ahead, I have all the time in the world. I'm just sitting here quietly. I've got about an hour ahead of me, so no problem, it's fine, okay? Are you subscribed? All right then, okay, let's go. I'll show you how we do this. So, the task is gonna be finding a place to put this in the car. I found a trick. Here are the original horns and the power cables, and I'm going to try to remove the grill to see if I can fit it sideways behind it, knowing that there are fans behind. So I'll have to take it easy. It's annoying because I wanted them in the front, but even as is, installing some still makes a huge mess. I'll try to remove that and see if I can quickly connect to the original power cables. There we go, there we go. Look, it doesn't get any easier to start with. I have a feeling this is going to be tough. They look like turbos. Yeah, that's true. They look like little turbos, don't they? Kind of like fans, though. Yeah, but I'm thinking that with 2 zip ties, I might be able to attach it. Actually, if it blows up, yeah, it could be funny. Or not. It's going to make some noise. No, because right now, I have enough space for the compressor, and the power cables are right behind it. There's a big spot to mount it, even here. And plenty of space behind the grill for the compressor. I think I'm gonna try with zip ties. Zip ties are life. We've done so many things with zip ties. So there we go, look, I'm sure it's gonna hold. I trust these zip ties so much, I could hold a tire with them. No way it's moving, it's very close to the fan right there. My hand doesn't touch, so there's about a finger's width. Yeah, there's almost 2 fingers, it's almost touching. No, but there's no reason to worry. Anyway, it can't go backward, but it can go forward. Does the hood close or not? Don't know. I know. No, it's closing, so I was just looking, testing. Damn, we should check if it's touching the fan. I don't know if it's touching the fan or not. Your hood isn't fully closed. It's shut here, but there's a gap lower down. Where exactly? Normally, it's not like that. The hood is supposed to be down, resting. You think so? No, I'm sure. Shit. Well, it's a failure. We'll put it somewhere else. There we go. There, you have space. But where should I put this one? Yes, okay, I have another idea based on Riesland again. What's your idea? A double Riesland. That's a Riesland combo. Bam, I saw it in my head. I saw it. Bam. On the intake. So one there. Ah, that's really wild, but really wild. I love this kind of connection and this kind of electronics. Okay, so we're good here. So we said blue is the positive, there we go, it's connected. Brown is the negative. We can even tilt them slightly here. That usually won't damage them. It doesn't move. There. We have the air duration. The other way around isn't true, actually. Well, it is the other way around, actually. Unless that's the case, it'll be pressed against the car. I'll still lock the bottom of the compressor, because since I'm pressing it against the bodywork, I'll admit I really don't want a little spark or something to happen. It'll serve as a buffer and is now well secured, just to make it secure. This is the horizon of safety. It's the most important thing of all. It's the one that's going to hold everything together. There you go, its role is important. I'll repeat it. The compressor's here, the air hose that's connected to the horn, the electric cable that goes through the small cable gland and comes here to connect directly to the original horns. So if I honk, I could blow everything up. All right, now comes the crappy moment. We're in an underground garage, and we're going to see if it works. Okay, start by giving it a tap. Okay, go ahead, give it a big one now. Rip, it's not working anymore. He didn't like it, so I'll replace the 10 amp with the 20 amp and see if it works. Go ahead, I'll stay here, give it a big push. What a mess it makes. I'll show you tomorrow what it looks like in the street. Go ahead if someone cuts me off. Now, you see, he's going to regret it for the rest of his life. Come on, let's do the first tests of the horn in a real situation. I'll wait until no one is around since it makes a big mess. And right now, the road is empty. Yeah, well, that's good. As you can see, there's no problem, no doubt about it. If you're not heard with that, then there's a real issue. They must have thought there was a train coming. So I'm telling you, the first one who doesn't put on his earplug is going to get blasted, his ears will bleed, he won't understand a thing, poor guy. I had no choice there. I found a good horn since I'd installed it on many of my cars. And of course, I repeat, use it in moderation. Reminder, you can find this horn on AliExpress for about 10 euros. Horn and compressor. However, don't make a mistake. Make sure that the pack you choose includes both the horn and the compressor. Sometimes they're sold separately, so watch out for that. On Amazon, it's around 20 euros. As you can see, installation is easy. All right, see you soon in the next video. Bye.